Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you replace your side mirror, remove and replace your side mirror on your 2012 Toyota Camry. So to get there, we've removed the door panel. We've gone over that process of how to remove the door panel. And just undo this electric connector here. And then we've got 3 number 10 bolts here to be removed. Now with those 3 bolts removed, there's so these are 2 guide pins, and then we've got a tab here that we just got to push down a little bit and pull the mirror out and guide the electric back through. And that's how you remove your side mirror in case it was broken, like you hit something, you broke it off, or the electric motor inside here that you use to control it isn't working anymore. This is how you would remove it to be able to get access to do the fix or to repair the whole unit, replace the whole unit. So when you got your new one and ready to put it back on, you just we got the guide pins, line those back up the top there, and then just press it in. And we got that tab that will hold it into place. Or keep your hand over here until you can get the screw started over here. Alright, those are all tight. These screws going into plastic, so you don't want to crazy tighten them down. And then just hook your electrical connector back up, and then you would go ahead and put your door panel back on if that's all the repair you're going to do. But that's how you remove and replace your side mirror on your Toyota Camry. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.